In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Docusign PowerForms and Better Alternative in 2026, 5 minutes. PowerForms are self-service signing links you can share publicly so people can start and complete a document without you having to manually send an envelope each time. They're perfect for things like intake forms, waivers, or consent documents on your website or in an email campaign. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, sign in to your Docusign account. From the home area, look to the left-hand menu and open Agreements. This is where Docusign organizes your templates, documents, and related tools. Inside Agreements, find and select PowerForms. Quick heads up, PowerForms are available on upgraded plans. If you don't see the PowerForms option, it likely means your plan doesn't include it. You can talk to your admin about upgrading or consider an e-sign tool that offers public form links on lower tiers if that better fits your use case and budget. If you do have access, choose Create PowerForm. You'll start by giving your PowerForm a clear name and setting an email subject. The name is primarily for your internal tracking and reporting, so make it descriptive, like New Client Intake 2026. The email subject is what recipients will see if Docusign sends them messages tied to this form, so keep it friendly and specific. Next, open the Options tab. This is where you set guardrails and guide the signer experience. For security, you can enable email validation or add an access code if the link shouldn't be completely public. If you're expecting a high-volume public link, consider setting usage limits or an expiration date so the form doesn't stay open indefinitely. Add clear recipient instructions here as well, briefly explaining who should complete the form, what information they'll need on hand, and approximately how long it will take. This small touch can significantly reduce confusion and drop-offs. When everything looks good, click Create. Docusign will generate a unique URL for your PowerForm. Always test the link before sharing it widely. Open it in a private or incognito window to confirm the fields display correctly, required inputs are enforced, and the signing flow runs smoothly from start to finish. Once you're satisfied, copy the URL and place it wherever signers will find it. On a website, pair the link with a clear call to action button. In emails, add a short sentence that sets expectations and includes the link. And that's it. You've created a reusable, self-service signing experience. If PowerForms aren't included in your plan, explore tools that offer public form links at your tier or revisit your Docusign plan options to enable this feature.